Marcus, thank you very much for the invitation to Mönchengladbach, part of Starrag. Could you tell me a little bit about yourself and also the factory here?
Yeah, okay. So first of all, welcome to Mönchengladbach. My name is Marcus Quines. I'm the technical director here in Mönchengladbach, meaning I'm responsible for the product engineering when we work out specific quotations for our customers, but also for the full design areas in that area here. And I'm also having some responsibility for topics in development over the full group of Starrag. Where I'm doing some linking between the specialists of all our subsidiaries.
And this is one of the bigger factories in Starrag, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a bigger factory. It exists since more than 100 years now. It started with Schaman at this subsidiary here, and it is combined now with Dorius since more than 20 years. And we are building here vertical laces, we are building horizontal machining centers and special horizontal machining centers from EcoSpeed range for aluminum structure parts.
What I'm interested in talking to you about is when we finished our interview at EMO last year, we spoke about Industry 4 and FMS. Now this is a big part here at Mönchengladbach. Could you explain more?
Yeah, so in fact we are having the impression that especially the aerospace industry is asking more and more for flexible manufacturing systems. Also in the foreground of Industry 4.0 and digitalization, because it means you have a lot of data flows to handle and you have the necessity to automate, let's say, complex processes to avoid that there are human failures in the complex parts. And that is where we have a special strength coming out of this station here in Mönchengladbach. We built our own cell controller. That means we have a software environment where we can control many different combinations from machines, but also from pallet systems and handling and tool management and whatever takes place in FMS systems.
And do you find that your customers demand this?
Yes, we clearly find that the demands are growing, and that was the point where we said it's not only something that we do for Mönchengladbach, but we also do it for the colleagues from Heckert, we also do it for the colleagues from Starrag. We can combine different machines from different subsidiaries and let them do complex jobs in one system. And everything is under control, and all the information maybe is transferred into a central control room of the customers, and that is what people are asking for at the moment.
And I know that Starrag have 4 core industry sectors, but where are you seeing the growth from Mönchengladbach, or certainly on the build front?
At the moment it's clearly aerospace. So aerospace is a driver for very high productivity, but also for the handling of very complex jobs. And that is sometimes then the driver for new developments for us, but we then can transfer it also to more, let's say, standard processes also in normal industry. Yeah? So, but the main driver is aerospace at the moment.
So from a worldwide manufacturing perspective, Marcus, if any customers are looking for technology and better ways to actually manufacture their products, they should be speaking to Starrag.
Yes, that is what we wish that customers do. They shall tell us what the task on a workpiece is and not just ask us deliver a machine with a size of 2 by 6 meters pallet. We are used to develop processes and machines as a complete package as technology providers. And in many cases we can make recommendations on totally change of processes, not only investment of machines. So that is also a big portion of our work here.